Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and welcome to this week's Sip and Share, where I share with you all of what I'm watching, drinking, making, planning, and where I've been, okay? And hopefully where I'm going. Now this week, let's just start off really quickly with what I'm drinking. I'm experiencing some digestive problems, so I am drinking ginger tea with just a smidge of sugar in it because I just need for it to calm my stomach down. And frankly, I like that little bit of spice it has with it. I also have a little candle here for a calming effect and some background sound, Now, it's been a busy week and an even busier weekend. Let's start off with what I'm watching. This week, I have started watching the series it's a mini-series, True Life with Kevin Hart. And so, I think it's loosely based on his real life with a twist. So that's definitely something you want to check out. And I've been trying to catch up on some of my favorite, or friends, I should say, YouTubers here. Just trying to get caught up on holiday makes and things of that nature. But to be honest with you, I haven't done much of it myself. So while I'm not doing much, I'm more than happy to support those who are. What am I making? Well, let me tell you what I have made, okay? So this past week, I've been focusing on the Sister Friend Journal. So what I've gotten done thus far, and I'll put a card up in the corner or put the playlist down below. Let me move this off to the side, and I'm going to keep that nearby because I definitely have got to keep sipping on that. This is the cover, and there's still the denim that needs to go off to the side that I'm going to do a decorative stitch around the edge of it and glue that in place, okay? And then on the inside are the 3 signatures that I completed this week that need to be bound, and so that they can be added in. After that, this will be, I need to sew around this, so I'll put that in later, so glue that down later. After I get finished with that, well, before I move on to the folios, I want to add a few specialty papers. So in one of the upcoming videos, I'm going to show how I turn my son's, I want to say it's kindergarten. What grade is this? Handwriting Without Tears. I want to say this is his first. Oh, I don't have the date in it. I think this is his first grade year. 18, 19, 21, 3, 8 August, 3 years ago. Second grade. Might have been second grade. Second grade handwriting book. And I've kept that. I was cleaning up, preparing our house for, my husband's redoing our bathroom. So it's like, you know how it is when you get started on one part of the house, what you got to do to prepare that ends up spilling over into some other area that you got to prepare. So in order for me to pull everything out the bathroom, I needed to tidy up the middle room, get rid of stuff out of the middle room, which is basically a storage area for us at this point, because it used to be Josh's bedroom, and then he ended up taking over my craft area room because it was larger, which is also his classroom. And then we end up moving both of us out into the living room. Nevertheless, while cleaning up that middle room, I came across this book that I was not hoarding, just saving. And instead of throwing the book out, I wanted to be able to incorporate his little pages into my journal. So I went on ahead and washed them with some coffee, and I've already completed one page, and so that's going to go into, that'll be the next video that comes up after this one, so stay tuned for that. I've also started on my, this is off to the side, the letter B for my last name, our family's last name. This is, it's not chipboard. I think it's press board or something like that. I went on ahead and primed, used gesso just to prime it. And then I'm going to take, I'm likely going to take this color, where is it? It's kind of like a rose gold. Paint this and then add berries and the holly to the top of it. Yeah, because I want it to be some contrast between this and my front door. So this will be hung on my front door, and then I'll probably find a really cute bow to hang it by. I'm a little late in the game, but it is what it is, you know. Also, let me see what else have we been doing. So my husband put down the bathroom floor, painted the bathroom. We took the fixtures down, cleaned them, and he put a coat of silver on top of them. So those will be going back up. So I have been doing not as much crafting as I would like, but we're getting there. What am I planning? I'm planning on having family in from out of town, so there's quite a bit of cleaning up and tidying up I need to do. And because Christmas will be right around the corner, I need to start pulling things that need to be donated. So there's that, to make room for the new stuff. It's not, Josh isn't getting a whole lot of stuff. He's past that. He's never been the kid to want a lot. So we're blessed in that capacity. Planning. I'm still working on a winter themed digital kit download. It'll be available in my Etsy shop, so stay tuned for the news on that. And then where am I going? Not very far. I do plan on meeting up with our best friends from when Josh was smaller, from like a few years back, all the way back until he was like 1. They moved out of the area, so we don't get to see him as often. So I'm looking forward to that. And then, let's see. I think that might be about it. I also am planning some holiday cards to go along with a few gifts that I'll be sending out. And I think that's it for this week, guys. I don't have a lot to share with you. And if you saw my desk, you'd think otherwise. Yeah. So I hope everyone is planning on having a good week and you're in a good holiday spirit. And if you're not, I'll pray for you. If you need a prayer, drop it in the comments. I'm more than happy to do that. And also, I want to invite you all to the Maker Exchange, which is my Facebook group. But I also want to send you over to where Baking and Crafting meets, her Facebook group, because she is there's a swap going on. She's hosting a swap in January. So if you're into swaps and that's something that you want to participate in, I'll put a link below to her Facebook group. And again, you're also welcome to join the Maker Exchange so you can hang out with us there as well. So anyways, guys, that's it for this week. Not much going on, and I'd hope to keep it quiet around here for as long as possible. But in the meantime, until we're back here together on YouTube, and that's just on my hands, y'all know how it is. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.